General. What me say? Give me a put on with him now or something now. What, not the boy?
Hello, my dear brothers and sisters over there in Jamaica. I want you all to vote for a better Jamaica. I need you all to make sure that Prime Minister Andrew Holness never step back foot into the House of Parliament. So make sure he don't win this coming election, because this motherfucker, he is a bitch.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Grabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Well, for me this evening, the clear winner of the debate was the People's National Party. I think Matthew Samuda was extremely strong, sturdy hand. He needed 2 other team members. They just didn't show up tonight. I think on style, rebuttal, presence, and all of the other matters that are supposed to come to a debate like this, the People's National Party, they brought it.
Winner. The winner is clearly the PNP, and I believe it's the PNP because they've used the time in opposition to create, in their eyes, a clear vision for the future, and I don't think the government came tonight with what they where they wanted to take us. I didn't see that, and I think the PNP had a clear vision.
My name Dwight. They call me police, but I back myself. You make life. So they call me back police, and then take off me back up and call the police. My name back with man now. I'm with the cousins, the police, Billy back with. I lie them up for me. Let me go through. I'm beating me. I'm big up here. He managed to get picture. Me don't know any name, but he find me. A long time I look for me. But that man name, one man at one part. You have to call your name. Right at one part.
Who are you beating and why?
Me I beat up Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness. Because he not do nothing for me. I'm see one part where they back come and count them say. Me nah do no more PNP. I mean, I want PNP give me. Just love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, cost exactly this. $1 US. That's the cost of this bus. And the gentlemen who purchased this bus, they were kind enough. To give this bus to me, to say, listen, we want you to take this bus to Jamaica and make a donation for a worthy cause. Not for the travel of children, not for the transporting children, but for a mobile clinic, a mobile library, a learning center, a food truck, transportation for churches, so on and so forth. And also remember that if I had contacted them last month, I would have gotten 7 buses. This would have been the 8th bus.
We are play, yeah. Easy say please fix the fucking road. Them politicians ya move like a bunch of fucking toad. Hey, them turn Jamaica in a country without road. Cause politicians rob money by boatload. Hey, stop it and please fix the fucking road. Spanish Town Road is a disgrace. How no make it get to this state? Me know no politician love fi go to these states. When you're there, you never see no.
Pull up after you're not first na relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
I'm a born ID, but watching I'm going to deal with it. Me skill for fuck your girl, good on you. When you are deal with shit, me I deal with your girl. Me I play with her nipples. Me I wet them. Understand? Me not shoot. Hello, Jamaica. Every man is for a purpose. Don't make the boy tell you about you done. Say, him a style you. Go suck your mama boy with your 7 subject. I will make you go to work and build your house and I fucking it. You buy stove and I cook on it. Punk. You buy head and you buy bed and I fuck on it. Punk. Mood you can suck on it. In your couch. Punk. Go beach. Call my pocket no fracture. It's my strong black wood you can ask for. Remember, and I give her a beer back. Pitney born a female you want punk. Sco beach. I'm wild and I'm dance and I'm rich. Punk. Boy, I'm spending drugs money.
Buckler boy can diss me to me turn PMP. Which boy can diss me to me turn PMP in my place? I want to vote for my bum buckler because who can top that? One bum buckler butcher. Nobody go on that.
Mr. G British not living a not dream. I'm not trick myself in front of myself, you know. I see a whole heap of slip up and go on in a Demarco. I know you want a system dog. I show you want a system dog. You know book for killer. For killer session and you running. Remember say IRA did there, you know. And willful, skillful did there. Where you go work and you running and still do 2. You do a few songs and want to go for another one. You lucky say killer no box in your face and kick you off on stage, boy. A man no violate you or this you. Salute to killer for be the bigger man without no apology. Demarco a system dog. Remember say you know, Ras Blinger did there, you know. You understand what I say? IRA did there if you go perform. And you do 2 songs and I ask about put on the rhythm. Hey boy, you want a conk big. Pampas boy, Demarco. Remember, you know, man, puppy tail, where puppy tail I go? Remember, you know, boy, I slip up, you know. Remember, for true, you know, we don't no apology, you know. You can't tell them and does that. You just pull a craft and killer, but killer be the bigger man. And now move as no system dog. Like, remember this, you know, remember, we don't live in a dream, now, you know. And now we don't hear, bro, got them a talk about the grade 2 Rainbows Readers book, you know. I mean, I hear the people them will get them book there. For them pitney where them type of community they are get legalized. Or I hear nobody about Minister of Education and them type of thing there. For legalize them type of thing there to the younger generation. Wanna go with that? I know I hear talk about Walter and Morant, you know. Yeah, man, and the mind in the gold mine in Wagwan. I be a word me hear my throwing about. Remember this, you know. You can go check out the People's Court, you know. And salute to Bantu Zulu. Free not dumb, you know. You understand what I say? I remember, you know, he's a free man from the land of Maramaka, you know. Salute to the People's Court. Real Makai, look upon this, you know. Demarco come out and I say killer this him, you know, and killer no this him, you know. Him a look a publicity stunt off a killer kind flop. Cause you know say killer dey on tour now. And him now running pan the man segment. Remember, you know. Salute to all the farmers them in Canada, you know, without no apology. And me left it there, so we don't, you hear me say, we don't no apology, publicly speaking that.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.
Yo, British man, if you want a nice girl, just go to the post office, see? Yeah. If you want to find a nice American thing, you get me. Well, a miserable bumbuckler English girl. We're tired of them bumbuckler. You see them British girl, man soon a man go now and look at aliens and say, oh baby, you're nice, you know. Oh, go on, girl, you're good. Hey. Sexual harassment. On the 2 post-clot, miserable in a blood clot England. England is known to be one of the most miserable fucking country in the blood clot world. On the 2 miserable, everybody miserable as fuck. Everybody. So the man them, yo, get to the passport up, find one passport, girl. You get me? Passport bros, whatever you want to call it. Go to the post office, a 3 blood clot American girl, me just get one again. I'm tired of British people, you know. Everybody miserable and cool.
Then if a man fuck me, girl, me just buy my beer. I say thank you for help me with a pussy here. And I love, and I love, and I love. Jump it again. Jump it again. Take it on. More to the list, rock with me. You see the man over a girl where you think you're gonna. When you gonna tell she have a look on next button. You think she sit down and make the pump pump. In case you never know me. Then if a man fuck me girl, me just buy my beer. And say come to feel me with a pussy there. And I love, and I care, me no care. Me can fuck a next girl, man. And if you fuck the new girl, me say thanks again. You know what girl man want in the taxi them. You know what hell man want with a pussy them. Yes, you can't tell them shot you and a foxy them.
No, yo quiero bajar a ayudarle, loco, a sacarlo. Por eso.
Eagle of the night, say I be a life run. So, can't drive run. See me, yo, Kingston. I do mother set a life in Iran. Look run, baby, my son crown. Mad dog, GLE, Jack Crown. Go right for swing, that's me touch a skin turn. Uptown girl, I'm pretty and crown. Down